Is your YouTube TV screen stuck on a spinning circle or a blank page? Don't let a loading issue interrupt your viewing. Let's get your favorite LED channels and on-demand content back up and running with these simple troubleshooting steps. First things first, we need to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is often the culprit. Try loading another website or app on your device to see if it's working properly. Consider restarting your modem and router by unplugging them for about 30 seconds and then plugging them back in. This simple reset can often resolve network glitches. Next, let's clear the cache for the YouTube TV app. This can fix issues caused by corrupted temporary data on most devices. You can find this in your device's settings. Under Apps or Applications, locate YouTube TV. Tap on it, and then select Storage or Cache. You'll usually find an option to clear cache. Give that a try. Outdated apps can also cause loading problems. Make sure your YouTube TV app is up to date. Head to your device's app store, whether it's the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or your TV's specific app marketplace, and search for YouTube TV. If an update is available, tap to install it. Sometimes, the simplest solution is a complete restart of your device, whether you're using a smart TV, streaming stick, or mobile device. Power it off completely. Leave it off for at least 30 seconds. Then power it back on. This refresh can clear out any temporary software issues that might be preventing YouTube TV from loading. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to get YouTube TV loading smoothly again. Enjoy your shows.